So I figured I'd do a little walk around of the house after we've had about 7.5 inches of rain in the last week. We had 3.5 inches since yesterday. I do have my fishing boots on because it gets a little deep out here. So just check it out. There's the orchids. It's just unbelievable. You know, even here, you're looking at 1.5 inches on top of the ground right here, just sitting here. It'll take it a couple weeks to get out of here. But there's a few slightly deeper spots. Can't walk but so fast or I'm gonna get water in my shoes. Just unbelievable. Not much grass left out there. Look at all this water. It's just amazing. Literally the house is like an island. That's the only part that doesn't have, and then the one little strip right here where the guy originally had put some dirt in here so you could get in and out. But yeah, this is high ground and it's still like right up to it, but look at how much water is back here. It's just amazing. It's a lake. Of course, that's all my neighbors' junk out there. But you know, there's boards floating. You know, look at this. It's just, look at that. Unbelievable. And what's kind of cool, all of this water, some of it drains, obviously not much of it drains. Some of it does drain out that way towards the neighbor out there in the very back, towards his shop out there. But a lot of this is really crazy. It actually drains up this way towards the road. And it's like a river. So you guys see, this is crazy. Yeah, it's flowing pretty good, and you can see how, you're going to see how, you know, I mean, look at all the water out here in front of the house and the side of the house. Just unreal. Just unreal. But yeah, it's flowing pretty good up here. This is kind of neat. All of this water, a lot of it, until it gets to about right here. Once it gets down below that level, that doesn't drain out this way anymore. But all of that water out here is flowing into the ditch right up here. And this is going to get a little bit deep. I'm going to have to go slow. Yeah, this is about 3 inches here. But all of this water, if you watch, you can see the bubbles. You can see the bubbles floating along towards the road. That's actually the current. It's actually a creek flowing out into the ditch right here. Of course, I'm looking for snakes, but look at that. That's just amazing. It's a blooming creek, man. Of course, it's flowing out of his yard across there, but you can see how full the ditches are. So, pretty stunning. Pretty stunning. I don't know how you'd ever fix it Only way to do it is raise the house up. I don't know what else to do. That'd be the only thing you could do. I'm glad I don't own it. We just rent it. So hope you enjoyed this. It's life in South Alabama. What can I say?